Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before starting our presentation today, I want to introduce our group. We are from Group A. We will present about what do you feel. Furthermore, for the first speaker is Siti Fatima, the second speaker is Liviana, and for the last speaker is myself. To shorten the time, the first speaker is Siti Fatima. Time is yours.
Conversation welcoming a new patient. Ahmed has gotten fever for 2 days. His temperature increased. Now he is being given nursing handover before the doctor examines him. I am nurse and my friend Sally is Ahmed. Hello, I am Jennifer. Your name is Ahmed, isn't it?
Yes, you are right.
Okay, Ahmed, what do you exactly feel?
I have gotten fever for 2 days.
Let me check your temperature.
Sure.
It is 39 Celsius degree. Do you feel dizzy or fine?
Yes.
Did you vomit?
No, I didn't.
Let me check your blood pressure.
Please.
Well, the rate is good.
What happened with me then?
Well, Dr. Albert will examine you. You will recognize soon. Please follow me to visit Dr. Albert. Vocabulary. Headache, sakit kepala, stomach, sakit perut, throat, sakit gigi, sakit telinga, throat, radang tenggorokan, cold batuk, stroke, kwashiorkor, busung lapar, dysentery, antraks, saluran pernapasan akut, saluran pernapasan timur tengah, Ebola. Ini semua dibaca, Pak. Mohon maaf.
Ya, boleh.
Ya. Next. Benion, bengkak ibu jari kaki, fever, demam, cold flu, skabies kudis, swine flu, flu babi, flu burung, asma, bronkitis, kolitis, radang usus besar, cowpox, cacar sapi, dengue, demam disertai linu pada sendi, emfisema, pembengkakan paru-paru, BCG, sakit punggung, diabetes, sakit gula. Encefalitis, radang otak, goiteri, gondok, cancer, kanker, concussion, gegar, nosebleed, mimisan, laryngitis, mad cow disease, penyakit sapi gila, migrain, sakit kepala sebelah, plague pest, epilepsi, sakit ayan, psoriasis, penyakit kulit kronis, sebersin, rakitis, ataxia degeneratif saraf, lumpuh, diare, tumor, reumatis, encok, scurvy, kudis, singlis, penyakit ruam saraf, sifilis, gonorrhea, kencing nanah, runinos, ingusan, bisul, pipel, jerawat, heart attack, serangan jantung, hepatitis, radang hati, meningitis, radang selaput otak. Tuberkulosis, TBC, ulat kutil, isinosis, hidung gatal, tetanus, Parkinson disease, penyakit Parkinson, miopia, rabun dekat, ear infection, infeksi telinga, blood cancer, kanker payudara, atrofi, pengecilan otot, kronis, hidung sakit, tumor, flu sariawan, tifus, derita tenggorokan kering. Grammar focus, bizarre interaction. The following are expressions to suggest or prohibit with frequently used by a nurse. Number 1, recommendation. Subject first must should had a better at this suggest plus sub 1. The patient must take medicine regularly. You should come to register on this hospital. You had better take rest. My doctor advised me to be hospital. My mom suggests me to visit the doctor. Number 2, prohibition. Subject must should had better my plus not plus sub 1. A diabetes patient must not add too sweet. You should not be late to visit the doctor. You might not be treated because you have not been well. You had better not eat spicy food. Subject plus avoid should avoid plus sub in. You should avoid drinking alcohol. You must smoking for your health.
The exercise. Translate the following sentence into English. 1. Kita harus menjaga.
Okay, the next present future progressive. Next slide. This is introduction. The present future progressive is used to describe action that will or are going to be in progress in the future. Jadi untuk present future progressive ini dia mendeskripsikan tindakan atau kegiatan yang akan berlangsung secara berkelanjutan di masa yang akan datang. Nah, example, he will be running 2 miles next week. Nah, dia laki-laki akan berlari sejauh 2 mil minggu depan. Lalu, the next example, I am going to be playing in the game tomorrow. Jadi yang kata di garis bawahi itu ciri khas dari present future progressive-nya. The next slide. Nah, future progressive tense. Di sini ada kata will be, plus present participle-nya. Jadi present participle-nya itu verb ditambahin ing. Nah, example, I will be fishing tomorrow. Next, I will be singing later. Nah, di sini juga ada keterangan waktunya, ada present sama future. Ongoing activity in the future. The next slide. Okay, forming the future progressive tense. Nah, ini ada rumus dari future progressive. Will be present participle verb ing. This is the construction for singular and plural. Jadi ini tuh berlaku untuk kalimat yang kata yang single dan jamak. Next, forming the present participle. The word that ends ing is known as a present participle. It is formed like this. Example, play jadi playing, shout jadi shouting. Jadi katanya itu ditambahin sama ing. For verb that end I remove the I and add ing. Example, prepare jadi preparing. Jadi untuk kata yang huruf terakhirnya itu huruf E, itu diganti jadi tambahin ing. Example, ride jadi riding. For verbs that end IE, change the IE to Y and add ing. Example, fly jadi flying. Jadi ini kata yang berakhiran I sama E jadi diganti jadi ing. The last, for verbs whose last syllable is written consonant vowel consonant and is stressed double the final consonant and add ing. Jadi katanya ditambahin ing, tapi ditambahin huruf terakhir ya, jadi run, jadi running, tapi n-nya jadi 2. Terus forgetting, t-nya jadi 2. The next slide. Nah, present future progressive ini ada positif present future progressive. Untuk formingnya itu subject plus will or shall plus be plus present participle verb ing plus complement. Jadi ini rumus dari positif present future progressive. Nah, untuk bagiannya di sini ada subjek. Untuk subjek I and we ini memakai model yang will or shall. Sedangkan untuk subjek you, they, she, he, it dia memakai model will. Untuk be present participle and complementnya tetap sama. Example, I will be eating at 7 o'clock tonight. Nah, saya akan makan pada jam 7 malam ini. Tuh, jadi di sini yang positif present future progressive-nya yang will be eating. Next slide. Oke, di sini ada negatif present future progressive. Untuk rumusnya subject plus will plus shall plus not be plus present part negatif. Slide sebelumnya. Negatif present future progressive. Untuk rumusnya subject plus will plus shall plus not be. Nah, di sini menciri khasnya yaitu ada not be plus present participle verb ing and complement. Untuk subjeknya I and we itu modelnya memakai will not atau shall not. Untuk yang subjek you, they, she, he, it itu modelnya itu memakai will not. Example, I will not be staying with my sister for a week. Erika will not be competing against Michaela in the race when the race starts. Jadi ditambahin not be untuk kalimat negatif. Next slide.
Pelan-pelan Sally jelasinnya.
Oke. Nah, selanjutnya itu ada kalimat tanya atau interrogative present future progressive. Nah, ini ada rumusnya yaitu will or shall plus subject plus be plus present participle verb ing plus complement. Jadi untuk kalimat tanya, will or shall-nya itu dia diganti dibalik. Jadi will or shall-nya duluan, baru diikuti dengan subject plus be plus present participle. Nah, untuk modelnya juga dibalik nih. Jadi model duluan baru subjek. Untuk model will or shall itu untuk subjek yang I and we. Sedangkan untuk yang model will itu untuk subjek you, they, she, he, dan it. Untuk be, present participle, complement, dan question marks itu sama. Nah, example, will Sunny and Ryan be watching Michaela race this Sunday evening. Example number 2, will I be sleeping in this room. Jadi kata will atau or shall-nya itu diganti jadi di depan dan diikuti dengan tanda tanya di akhirnya. The next slide. Okay, thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.